What's up, everyone? I am Brian, your crypto and digital asset expert, and very excited to share with you a new and exciting app you can find in the Google Play or App Store where you can buy your favorite Solana meme coins, and the app is called Moonshot. Jumping over to their Twitter page, you can see Moonshot is the first app on the App Store that lets you buy and sell memes with Apple Pay. Sign up with email, Face ID, and you're in. No seed phrases, no mentions of blockchains, no esoteric concepts. Going over to the Apple Store, you can see you can very easily just download it onto your phone or your desktop. A lot of people use this on their mobile phone, but for the purposes of the video, we're going to show how it works on the desktop, which is very similar to how it works on the phone. In addition, we're going to specifically talk about downloading it from the App Store, but you also have capabilities to download this from Google. Here's some screenshots of what the actual app looks like, but some things to call out here: easy deposit and withdrawals. You can make cash deposits with Apple Pay, credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, PayPal in just a few minutes, and you can cash out your holdings at any time with easy bank transfers. They also have trending memes they call moonshots, what basically people are buying most. You can get live updates and track your holdings. In addition, like we said, you can sign in with a Face ID, no password needed. You own your funds. Moonshot is a self-custodial wallet that you have control over. They can never access or freeze your funds, and you can export your wallet keys at any time. When you sign up for Moonshot, they do generate you a Solana wallet if you wish to still transact in native cryptocurrency. We'll jump over into the app and talk a little bit deeper. Either on your phone or your desktop, you could be able to download this app in either the Google Play Store or the App Store, and it's just like a standard Web 2 login, email, password, username, and you're set to go. Typically, they'll ask you for a 2FA through email, so you can put those 6-digit numbers in to make sure your security is intact. But once you get all that set up, you come to this page right here. You can see my username here, the total I have in Moonshot. We can go over to the home page here. Total balance right here. In the spotlight, they are currently promoting the Dark MAGA coin, but as you scan down a little bit, they also have top gainers and what is trending. So one of the more popular coins out there is a coin called Dog with Hat, and we'll click on that. As you can see, there's a chart here. You can go live charting, 4-hour charting, the max 1 day, everything along those lines. Scanning down, you can see the value you hold and the amount of quantity, and just a little bit about the coin, the official Twitter. The market cap is 2.3 billion. How much is traded? 61.2 million in the past 24 hours. The amount of holders, 186,000. Circulating supply, and the date this was initially created. As you can see, this is a neat little feature. You can just see transactions coming in literally every second here. It will pop up bought. Someone bought $2.92. Someone sold $2.92. Someone sold $4,000, and so on. But if you want to buy Dog with Hat, obviously you click on the asset, you click buy, and it gives you an option. Do you want to pay with Apple Pay? Do you want to pay with credit debit card, PayPal, or with native USDC or Solana? You can see it's a Solana address right here. So we can go right to Apple Pay here. If you wanted to buy $100, you would just swipe to deposit, and more likely it's going to pop up a 2-factor identification code. There it is right there, and you'll put your 2-factor identification code in, and the first time you use this app, it will ask you to KYC. This is very similar to a centralized exchange, where it will ask you for your name, your address, your phone number, your email, and so on, to just really keep track of any purchases you are making through Moonshot. Next up, you can see there is a rewards tab, and they have a pretty awesome reward here. You can get up to $100 in free meme coin per friend and a share sometimes of their actual trading volume. Earn 50% of all trading fees from each friend you refer. So you can invite a friend right here. And this last tab here is your holdings. So the amount you hold in your total Moonshot portfolio. You can add cash if you wish. Same setup there. If you didn't have a specific asset you wanted to buy, but you just wanted to have $100 ready, you can add it there. You can send it just like so. So if you wanted to send $100 or at $1, it looks like, oh, I don't have the available cash. You put in and swipe to send, and then you can cash out directly to your bank account as well. Further exploring the Moonshot app, in the upper right hand corner here is your settings tab. As you can see, there's your username, there's an email associated with this account, there's any notifications that you may be getting, but right here, very important, is export keys. With every Moonshot account that's created, they generate a unique Solana address that's associated to the account. Being non-crypto native people do not need to really know this to utilize or use Moonshot. I do want to point out for the reason in the tutorial. Now, Solana address, you can, if you're on a centralized exchange and you have USDC on the Solana chain, you can send it to the Solana address to fund your Moonshot account. That is one of the drop-down options along with PayPal and Apple Pay and credit and debit cards. Right here is in the advanced section is your secret phrase. If you click on that export and put your password in, it'll give you a random 12 words that can give you access to this Solana wallet anywhere, anyplace, anytime. So keep that in a very safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Do not store electronically. Just standard security measures for any crypto wallet. For non-crypto native people, you really don't need to know these details, but I wanted to point out once again that every Moonshot account gets a Solana address attached to it along with a secret phrase, and that's how you can access that if needed. If you enjoy this sort of content, if you enjoy learning more about Web3 and cryptocurrencies and these tutorials, we're gonna have a ton more coming out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Until next time, I'll see you soon.